Most people break long before life truly tests them, not because the storm outside is too strong, but because the mind inside is untrained, unsharpened. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Think about that for a moment. Life will inevitably throw storms in your path. People will act unpredictably. Events will challenge you. But how you face these storms, that is what separates those who are Stoicism become undefeatable, who are Stoicism unshakable, from those who are simply carried away by the winds of circumstance. The truth is, the power to become unbreakable is already inside you. You only need to awaken it, nurture it, and train it. Just like a sculptor shapes stone into a statue, every choice you make, every pause you take, every thought you master carves your mind into an unshakable fortress. In this video, we are exploring a simple yet profound Stoicism guide that transforms ordinary people into unshakable beings. We will dive into the mindset of a Stoic person, the principles of Stoicism discipline, and the mental rules that can make you Stoicism undefeatable. If you've ever lost your calm under pressure, if anger or fear has ever stolen your clarity, this is the guide that will show you a better way. By the end, you will understand how Stoicism calm and Stoicism self-control can reshape your life, one deliberate choice at a time. The first rule of becoming truly undefeatable is deceptively simple. Focus on what you can control and release the rest. Epictetus reminds us, freedom is won by disregarding what lies beyond our control. Think about your daily life. How often do you worry about things that have nothing to do with you? How often does your energy get drained by other people's opinions, traffic delays, or events completely beyond your reach? Every moment spent on the uncontrollable is energy wasted. Stoicism teaches that true power is inward. Control your thoughts, your reactions, your focus. When someone insults you, pause. Don't react immediately. When life feels chaotic, breathe. Calm your inner world. Release the outer noise. This principle is the foundation of Stoicism undefeatable strength. When your inner river flows freely, no rock, no storm, and no criticism can divert it. Marcus Aurelius practiced a small but mighty habit, the pause before reaction. Even a few seconds of stillness can prevent hours or days of regret. Modern neuroscience calls this the response gap, the space between stimulus and reaction where wisdom can intervene. Imagine the difference between snapping in anger and pausing to respond with clarity. The pause is your shield. It is your first act of control. It is the beginning of Stoicism unshakable. When someone pushes your buttons, pause. Breathe. Ask yourself, do I need to react, or can I choose my response? Over time, this tiny pause becomes a habit, a natural rhythm, a calm that cannot be shaken by the chaos around you. This is the essence of Stoicism calm, and the foundation for a mindset that can withstand any storm. Seneca said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Control over others is fragile. Control over wealth, fame, or power is temporary. But control over yourself is permanent. Every time you resist an urge, every time you choose patience over impulse, every time you think before you act, you practice Stoicism discipline. You strengthen your mind. You fortify your inner fortress. Psychology confirms this. People who master self-regulation experience less stress, better focus, and a deeper sense of agency. Each act of self-control is a brick in the wall of your Stoicism undefeatable mindset. Obstacles are not enemies. Stoics did not fear them. They used them. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Modern psychology calls this cognitive reframing, seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. Your failures, your rejection, your setbacks, they are not signs of weakness. They are training. Pain becomes clarity. Chaos becomes focus. This is the essence of Stoicism, changed my life. The storm is no longer an enemy. It is your teacher. Imagine a river hitting a rock. Some of the water splashes, some flows around. The river does not stop. It adapts. Your mind can do the same. The challenges you face are the rocks. Your Stoic mindset is the river. With each obstacle, you learn to flow more smoothly, more powerfully, more resiliently. Most people break because they care too much about what others think. Stoicism teaches the opposite. Detach. Detach from constant validation. Detach from fleeting praise. Epictetus reminds us, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Caring less about approval frees your energy. You remain rooted. You remain calm. You remain a stoic person. This is why Stoicism, calm is power. The calm born from knowing your value does not depend on anyone else. Acceptance is not surrender. Acceptance is understanding reality without letting it destroy you. Life will throw challenges you cannot control. People will behave unpredictably. Events will test your limits. Stoicism philosophy teaches, accept reality as it is. Focus on what you can influence. Release what you cannot. This allows your mind to remain calm, steady, and Stoicism keep calm, even in chaos. The mind that accepts is a mind that cannot be broken. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It is about building a fortress inside yourself. A fortress built from Stoicism, self-control, Stoicism discipline, clarity, patience, and calm. When your inner world becomes stronger than the outer, you stop being controlled by external chaos. You become unstoppable. You become Stoicism unshakable, Stoicism undefeatable. Consider this. The storm outside may rage, but inside you sit in a room of perfect stillness. The wind cannot reach you. The thunder cannot shake you. This is the power of Stoic discipline. This is the strength of the mind trained to respond, not react. Let's summarize the path to becoming truly unbreakable. Control what's inside. Release what's outside. Pause before reacting. Turn obstacles into fuel. Detach from opinions. Accept reality without surrender. Build an inner fortress. You are stronger than you think, calmer than you imagine. Closer to Stoicism, become undefeatable than you've ever been. Reflect. Journal. Notice your reactions. Practice self-control daily. If this video guided you toward inner strength, subscribe for more lessons in Stoicism. Calm, Stoicism mindset, and unshakable living. Your mind, your choices, your calm. They are your greatest power, and with them, you are truly undefeatable.